What did you say to me?
Are you saying anything?
You think you're better than me, huh?
What are you saying?
You think you're better than me?
What do you mean by that? Stop it! What's that for? Huh?
So gross. Calm down.
What's the meaning of all that?
What's that?
What's that? What's that? Did I talk to you? Huh?
On this campus.
Take me there. Hurry up, take me there. What impudence! How dare they to fight on campus? Hurry up, hurry up, hurry up. Oh, yeah.
Sana.
Hey. Calm down, calm down. Calm down.
Are you mad?
Calm down.
What's wrong with you?
What do you think? Calm down.
Oh, stop here! Are you stopping?
You're mad.
Stupid boy! Fuck you, eh? Fuck you too!
Hey,
Are you mad? What do you think?
Hey.
I will slap you, eh?
stop it.
You run to them, yeah?
No, calm down.
Enough, JD!
What just happened?
Are you asking me? I don't know. Now the two of you see me in my office right now.
In the realms of heaven, a love that is so true.
You've gone too far, Jaden.
We were just having a little fun.
Fun?
You know how it is, Harvey.
Jaden, you call this fun? You almost got Jennifer and Stanley suspended, and you call this fun? Huh?
They were going to fight. I just needed to teach them. Listen.
This is not a game, Jaden. You can't control people like that.
You were teaching them a lesson, right? Okay, that's fine. You will learn one too. Come with me.
You guide me on my journey through the dark of night.
The more reason why I did not take you to my office is because I don't want any of the teachers to find out. Because if they do, you'll be in serious trouble. Because you know fighting on campus is an abomination. Now, tell me, what happened? Why were you two fighting?
I don't really know, sir. 1 minute we were fine. The next minute we started arguing.
Say he's actually saying the truth. It's like something came over us. I can't explain that. Something came over you. How is this possible? Now listen, this is not enough. It is not good enough. The two of you would have hurt each other seriously. Why would you do that? And since neither of you is able to tell me why you were fighting, you leave me with no choice than to punish you. Oh yes. And for your punishment, you will run around the sports field 20 laps. And not just that. After class, you will clean the classroom for 3 months. Do I make myself clear?
Yes, sir. We understand.
We will do it. Better. Now listen. Go and ponder over your actions. And remember, there is always a better way of solving disagreements. Violence is not an answer. No. You may leave.
Thank you, sir.
Kids of these days. Anyway, I hope this will teach them a lesson. Let me go.
Solemnly sworn.
Yeah, there's this girl in my class. She says she's passionate, but I don't really want to tell you.
Passionate.
Of course, you are handsome. So,
Handsome. So, where is this girl?
she's.
Do you have a picture?
No, I can't.
You don't have a picture.
I can't show
You're
you.
so boring. What's that? Oh, you are jealous.
No,
It's
no.
okay.
JD, what you did earlier was completely out of line. You could have gotten Stanna and Jennifer into serious trouble.
They were about to duke it out. I was just speeding up inevitable.
That was not. It was not your call to make. You can't keep manipulating people like that.
Says who? Huh? Says who? Now listen, Abby. It's a dog eats dog world. Of course, you don't get something here. You know what? Sometimes you gotta make things happen.
You listen to me. Stay away from Jenfi and Stanna. Because if you think for a second that I'm going to allow you to continue playing these games, then you're mistaken. Because I won't hesitate.
What? Declare war on me? Come on, go ahead. Abby, listen to me. I am not afraid of you or your little friends. I am not.
You should be. If you hurt them.
And if Mona doesn't back off from Stanna, they both will get hurt. And Jeffrey too. That's the way we should be.
You're playing with fire, JB.
Oh.
Bring it on, JB. Bring it on!
Be solemnly sworn.
Man, that was brutal.
I mean, tell me more about it. I don't know. I sincerely feel like my knees are actually gonna fall off. And you know something, Jenfi? I'm really sorry about what happened. I didn't mean for things to escalate to this extent.
Oh no, man. It was my fault too. I overreacted. I'm sorry.
It's fine. Since we are both sorry, it's okay. I mean, nothing is wrong, so... Friends?
Yeah, friends.
It's crazy how I decided over nothing though.
I know, right? But hey, we have a clean classroom to look forward to.
Silver line, right?
Yeah. This wasn't a bad day after all, you know?
I guess I made a new friend through punishment.
I know,
It's
right,
okay.
Charlie? Let's get going.
I think so. But I'm really tired.
We should go.
Jerry, you'll be in the dream team. I will make sure these guys sweep for the whole semester. Nobody messes with the J, G, D, E, and the N in this campus.
Jamie, what's wrong? Why is the glass still not swept? Who's supposed to do it?
Are you asking me? Don't you know Jeffy and Stan are supposed to sweep?
Jeffy and Stana. Daddy,
You're asking me.
I'm confused because we have to come to class.
Don't you know Jeffy and Stan are supposed to sweep for their punishment?
Oh, so these guys refuse to sweep this class? Don't worry, I'm just going to report them. What's that?
Better be fast.
Just wait for me.
Angelus! Come to me, old one.
Why did you summon me, young one?
Thank you for coming, old one. There is no room for evildoers, just as Dominos teaches us. He is innocent. I saw that young warlock cast a spell to provoke the fight.
Don't worry, young one. I've got the spell for this. Yaelkwe! Marewa mana halalati. Habaro ishinati. Ishihaba! 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 Everything is done, young one.
The job is done. Thank you so much, old one. Oh, Stan and Jeffy will be so relieved.
It is my pleasure. Always happy to help those in need.
Thank you, old one. Thank you, old one.
Oh, you see.
I'm serious.
Oh, yeah, what happened?
I said I was sitting with Jeff, then he came and he just slapped me.
Slap you for what?
I don't know.
Oh my god.
Be fast. We need to get the classroom fed before the girls come in. Hold on, I'm right behind you.
In the realms of heaven, a love that is so true. Angels whisper secret of a love shining through. My love, you are the melody that fills my heart, oh God. You guide me on my journey through the dark of night.
Jeffy.
Forever with you, my love.
Look.
Is where I want to go.
Oh. Someone beat us to it. The classroom is already spotless.
Well, I mean, whoever did this saved us a ton of work, and I mean, we are grateful. I want to say thank you.
Killian or Abigail?
I don't know, but if it's any of them, seriously, they are lifesavers.
You should know.
Let's go.
Alright. Well done, Stan and Jeff, for setting the right example by following the school rules. By the way, it makes teaching smooth. And I'll be expecting the same thing tomorrow, okay? Alright. Class, are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Pick up your exercise book for next exercise. Hurry up, hurry up, hurry up.
What the?
Jamie!
Someone put rubbish under my desk.
You don't need it.
Jeffy, Stana, was this
way, Jaden. We didn't do anything. Listen, bro, we are innocent.
Right, everyone, let's settle that. But how can you just accuse somebody without any evidence?
Sir, I didn't do this. I didn't put this here. My suspect is these two guys. I suspect them. Look at all this. What is the meaning of this?
Take it easy. At least I'm here. Let me handle it. Are you trying to say that somebody deliberately did this?
Sir, I'm 100% sure. I didn't do this. So, who did this?
Humanotopia. That's quite interesting. Now, class, silence. Listen to me. No matter what happens, you can't just jump into conclusion.
Sir, I can't sit here with this right now. It's not fair. What is this?
You have to put out a better behavior. Accusations without evidence will only bring out violence. And this is not something you should practice in this school. Yes, of course. Anyway, I will need the three of you.
Oh, about 3 movies. One is Frenemy, directed by I think Chance Africa. Yeah. Then Hotter Than Ice by that guy called Vision. Then I think one Delivery Boy. Yes, it is coming to the cinemas and I want to watch it with you.
Really?
Oh, seriously.
I love that. It'll be nice.
This will not be Netflix and chill. This is cinema and chill with popcorn and some.
No, with me.
With my baby. Chill.
Hello. Hi, Hans.
Hi.
Hey, Tessie. Hi. I'm about to grab some food. Do you want to go with me?
Oh, no, actually, Killian. I want to spend some time handsome.
I got it. Okay, so spend some time together.
Okay.
Maybe another time, okay? Definitely, okay?
I'll see you around.
Okay.
Yeah, Killian.
So you see, just like this, always for you. You don't have to be like.
And I'm so grateful.
Yeah, you have to.
For always wanting to be with me.
Definitely.
I appreciate that. Even having me around you, telling your friend that you're having time with me means a lot, my baby. The smile alone.
Yeah, it's all for you, okay? All for you. So relax.
And nobody can even fight.
No, who?
Nobody.
Who? Nobody.
Hi.
The Twitter want to see you.
Twitter want to see you.
Yes.
Which Twitter?
Madam Judith.
Madam Judith.
Yes.
Okay, tell her I'll be right there.
Sure.
It's Twitter.
Twitter. I think it's Madam Judith.
Really?
Yeah. Let me rush and see her. I'll be back.
What does
Okay.
she want?
I don't really know. I just have to check up. Okay.
Okay.
Be safe.
Sure.
I'll be back.
Don't waste time, too.
Hi, Hans. Yeah, I sent for you. Follow me. Oh, no, okay. Hans,
Yes, madam.
I know what I'm about to say is not acceptable, but sometimes you have to understand nature. Age is just a number. Hans, I'm crushing on you. Hans, and I'll do anything, everything for you. I will support you in your academic. I will.
Crashing on you.
I love you.
Madam Judith, what you're asking is too much. I appreciate the fact that you will do everything for me. But please, I can't do this. And besides, it's not good to see the nakedness of someone who is older than you.
Hans, I'm not that old. I'm not. Hans, please. I love you.
Madam, I will appreciate every gift, every support, all kindness. But please, not relationship. How would the other students see us? What would they even say? This is too big.
Hans, the feeling I'm feeling for you, I can't even explain it. Just understand me, please.
I wish you also understand me, madam. I wish.
You know what? It's okay. I won't push it up again. But anytime you need anything, don't hesitate to call me or come around. Okay.
Thank you, thank you, ma. Thank you, but
stop calling me now. Please, don't tell me.
Thank you, Madam Judith. But I don't think I'll be needing anything like relationship from you. Besides, I'm already in a relationship and I love my woman. Thank you.
Hans.
His solemnly sworn.
Madam Judith?
What?
How are you?
Do I look good? Do I look good? Excuse me, I'm not ready for you.
He solemnly sworn.